my friend today, huh? Yeah, with my nephew, I mean. Alright, should I be, alright. We're playing a car game right now. He's right here. He's a pro at car games and stuff. Huh? At, wait, I forgot, I can't. Oh, why can't I? Here, I'll follow you. I'll just follow you. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Roblox with my cousin. I made another video because that one did a little messed up. I stopped it. Sorry. My other video messed up. I'm playing with my friend. 1 second. Alright, I'm here. Yeah. Yeah, how can you jump in that car? On it? Oh, yeah. Once. Wait, let me pull out my fast car. It burns my wheels. Last time it popped my wheels off. Oh, it already tipped me over. I already know it. I'm just crashing into stuff because it's so fast. Oh, that was a 360. I just did a wheelie. Oh, I ran. Okay. I'm such a bad driver in this game. Finally, I can do this. 1 second. I'm, oh. Help. Oh, I just broke the road. I just broke the road. I'm crashing into anything, boys. Bear. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm in a police car. It's a white and black one. Oh, finally I got out of here. I'm just breaking everything in here. You see this, guys? And make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, oh I'm doing drifters right now. Boom. Look how much money I have. Huh? Want me to? Alright. I need to get my driving license. For today, this is the end of the video. So see you later. Catch you in a new video. Bye.